So hello guys, finally we are in the end of this module project. Basically, you must have completed the first second lab. In case you haven't completed it, complete it first so that you are able to complete the last module also. So for that you can check the description box or just navigate to the playlist. Now open it. Now here just navigate to the challenge page and click on launch. Now once you have launched it, you have to see that we have to grant access and we have to just use the agent also. So before that, if you're new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Now here in the quick find, you have to carefully type permission sets. You have to just click on this permission set. If you are able to see, you can directly click on it. Now here we have to create new permission sets and modify some of the settings also. So wait for the page to load. So it's taking a bit of time. Do not worry about it. It takes time. Now here you can see all the permission sets, create new, and then you can see this. So we don't have to click on view. You can see here new is here. You have to just click on it. Now you have to come to the lab module, and from there you have to copy the name carefully. Okay, copy the name carefully, paste over here. Similarly for the API name also you can copy it, just paste it like this. You have to enter this description. All these things are done. You have to click on now save. Now what we have to do, we have to just modify the agent access. You have to just find the agent access over here. It's present here. You can see it. Click on it. Now once you have clicked on it, you can see option that there is edit option in the agent access. Okay, you can see here in the agent access option there is a edit button over here. You don't have to edit properties. You have to simply click on the edit option. You can see here. So just click on the edit option. Here you can see agent access. You have to click on it and just use this arrow button to add it. Now here you have to just save it. So finally we have enabled the permission sets for the agent access, basically the general agent. Now we have to manage the assignments. Click on it. It will again take some more time, so wait for it. Now click on add assignment. Now here we have to assign ourselves. Your name will be present, whatever name you have used for the Salesforce platform. You have to just select the checkbox and just click on the next option. Okay, you have to just select your name and then click on this and then click on the assign button. Okay, make sure it is like this only. So we have enabled the permissions, assigned the roles, and finally we are done with the first step of this module, basically the module. Now you have to just click on this option. Let me show you what you have to do. This app launcher, and from here click on it. Now just carefully type sales and just click on it. So now here we have to just test our general agent. It's taking a bit of time. Do not worry, we'll be able to get full score. Now click on this Agentforce button to activate the general agent. Now here we are not having multiple agents like customer agent or normal agent. We are having a general agent. Okay, because we have configured that only. Okay, so here I have to just paste this prompt. One more important thing I wanted to share, but paste it and hit enter. That for the next module you can just check the playlist and you'll be able to find it. So this, the complete course is already completed. Okay, here you have to just select contact option, wait for some time and then only select contact option. Do not hurry, because if you miss anything you won't be able to get the score. So this is also done, and here is a summary of this. So what we have to do, we have to just come over here again and just paste a different prompt over here. So just paste your prompt over here and just use this send button or hit enter. In case enter is not working, you can see the send button, you can just send it. Now we are crafting an email to send to Sophia. So here is the result. It's taking some time to process because of the load of traffic. Maybe you are able to get earlier than me also. Do not worry, or later also. So just wait for some time and wait for the processing to get completed. So just click on send email and a pop-up will come. There also you have to just click on the send option. So here, wait for the mail to load first of all and then click on send. Now here, finally we have done all the steps. Now it's time to just verify the points and you will surely get the score if you have followed the way I have completed it. Now this module, basically the quick start module and one the spooky module has been completed and will be uploaded on the channel. Do not panic at all the series are available on the channel. Complete it and win exciting goodies of the Salesforce. So thank you guys. If you want to participate in the arcade program, you can always check the description. Do like the video and subscribe the channel and have a great day ahead.